Hello everyone, welcome to the last unit of the lecture, Introduction to Communication Skills. In communication, it is very important to understand your audience and purpose. If you understand what is your purpose of sending a particular message, it will be easier for your audience to understand your message as well. Once you know that why are you actually sending this message to your audience, what is the main purpose, what are your goals, what is it that you want to achieve, it will be easy for you to construct your message. It will be easier for you to choose the correct medium and the correct channel. You need to consider what is the audience expecting of you, what kind of a language are they expecting, what kind of a fluency are they expecting. Are they expecting this message through a text message, or maybe through an email, or maybe through any other medium? You need to make sure that the kind of a language that you are using, your audience is familiar with that. You need to make sure that they are compatible with the particular gadget, or from the particular group, or maybe from the particular platform that you are using. You need to understand that your audience might have a bit of a difficulty in understanding your message. So you need to ensure that you encode your message as easier and as in a familiar way as possible. For this, you always need to have an audience centered approach. You need to focus on what your members want. You need to make sure that whatever the message that you are sending to them is meaningful for them. It is helpful for them. So you need to have a you attitude. You need to make sure that you understand what their education is, what their age is, what their status and style is. Because if you tell them something which they are not familiar with, they will not be able to understand your message properly. So whenever you are having an audience centered approach, you need to make sure that if you are addressing strangers and you are unable to, you don't know what, what, who they are, or what they are, or what their background is, then you need to be as neutral as possible. You need to use your common sense, and you need to sketch, what kind of a person they are. You can, anticipate. But the more you know about a person, the easier it will be for you to understand their needs, and it will be easier for you to frame your communication in a way that they understand it and they respond to you positively. So whenever you are giving a message to the other person, you need to understand that why should they listen to you? Why is it important for them to understand this message? Why is it so productive for them? Why it is so necessary for them to understand and follow the instructions? If you consider your audience whenever you are encoding your message, then your audience will be able to decode the message easily as well. That would be end of your unit 1.4. Thank you.